Ryan here, Silly Reviews. I'm going to show you how to fix your toilet for $3 and you don't even have to leave your house. Flush it, right? We flush this big daddy down there. Woo, that's a big one. Look at this. This is the Corky, the basic, the universal. It's a flapper. That's a flapper. #1 brand in toilet flappers. You're gonna put it in your toilet, it's gonna stop running. If you have the same symptoms as I do, this is how you fix it. You're gonna be a certified plumber. You're gonna be a grown man once we do this. So, I just took my morning dump and I go to send me something to review. I've got a P.O. box just for you. Send me anything. Wacky flavored sodas, awesome beads, super hot sauce, a burrito blanket, pictures of your wife. I'll review whatever you send me and give you a shout out. Mail me something from your house or send it from your favorite website. Flush it, right? We flush this big daddy down there. Woo, that's a big one. That's a big boy. Is it gonna flush? Wow, didn't even flush. Okay, no problem. But anyway, what you're gonna do is take your tank lid off and you're going to notice the tank is never going to fill up and it's going to stay running, and that may or may not cost you money with your water and sewage department. Never gonna stop. Here's why. Look at this flapper. Flipping and flapping. It's corroded. It's broken. It doesn't stay on anymore. Both sides busted. This will happen faster. The rubber will degrade if you use bleach tablets in your tank, things like that. All you have to do, if it wasn't completely broken like this, and the inside of your tank will be kind of gross, don't worry about it. It is actually pretty clean in there. So what you're going to do is you're going to unhook these two, but mine are broken, and then you're simply going to take the chain off. Then we're going to replace it. $3 Amazon Prime delivered. And we're going to replace it. That's it. Hold on a second. Hey, look, this is the old one. Again, all I did was I unhooked those two, took the chain off, and put my new one on. Now, let me show you. You might have to adjust your chain to get the right length, so when you press down on your handle, it comes up far enough to let the water go down and flush your turds. And then make sure when you let it go, it's got enough slack to close the hole. It really is that easy, and that's where you hook the chain right there. Couldn't be easier. It's like a lanyard. It's simple. And you can move it up and down on this track if you need to, or you can kind of hook the chain around itself until you get the right fit. I've had a lot of luck. I've done this before. Usually the chain is spot on, but no need to fear. And now you can see my toilet tank is filling up. The water won't be running, and the flush will be deep. Let's see if that turd flushed. Hold on a second. Let's see if that big daddy went down. Whoa, Ryan for Silly Reviews. By the time 09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about